how to disable suggest your account to Facebook friends on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable suggest your account to Facebook friends on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and now click profile here and then click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it, click this one, settings and privacy, and then click privacy, and here you will find suggest your account to others. Click on it, and this one here you will find it Facebook friends. If you want to disable it, just turn it off, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.